So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to integrate our LCD 16x2 LCD display with our STM32 Blue Pill board. So today we are going to learn this thing. So let's get started. So before going to start, I want to open this Arduino CubeIDE. If you don't have this STM32CubeIDE, so you have to go to the STM32 website. There you can download this one. First, before downloading, you have to log in your account. So from here I have to open this project. So now it is open. You can see here guys, just we have to adjust this windows. I have to decrease this one size, then we have to expand this one projects. You have to go your core. I have already created, that's why it is showing here, but I will show you how to create another one also. So this is our main files in the source. That one we will create and we will work on this file only. So here I already created this folder. So now I opened already one code, so existing one code what I have made here. So I will show you how to create another project. So once you will open this QID, one interface will come. So what you have to do, you have to go in the file, you have to go in the new, then you have to create the STM32 project. Once you will create this one, some files will download. It will create the environment for this project. So you have to wait for some time. Then after coming this window, you have to search this, you have to go this one, not board selector. You can select board also, but according to me you have to select this one, MPU selector, MCU and MPU selector. No, it is lagging a little bit. Okay, so here you have to search your part number of the controller, this Blue Pill board. So part number is the STM32 F103C8T6. So now it is coming here guys, this T6 one we have to use, then we have to expand this one again. So this first one you have to use, then go click it on the next. Then here you have to give a name, whatever you want to give a name, like I'm giving a TRIAL trial underscore 16x2. Okay, this name I'm giving for this project. Now you have to generate the code. So now this thing is came. So you have to go in your system. You have to with this Navic, this RCC in this high speed clock. You have to select this one ceramic. Then you have to go to system. Here you have to select serial wire debugger, and here you have to select this 2 pin. That this one we are using for the SDA, and this one pin we are using for the SCL. So these are the pins are there. Now we have to go this clock configuration part. Here 8 megahertz clock frequency it is showing. Just type it on the 72. Based on this other clock also will modify, then enter it. Okay, then go to again this one, this side over. Okay, now you have to click on this symbol is the device configuration tool generation. Just you have to click it on this. Yes, now this code will generate. So now one more thing guys, after generating the code you will get this template type of one code file, main.c file. Inside this you have to write your code. So this so no need to do again this file, because I already created this main.c file. So this one I will put my GitHub repository. From there you can access. And I showed you this how to create the project. If I will go to this my present latest one code, this is my code. If I will build this one, so now it is working. So you can see here there is no errors are there for this one code. Now it is building the code. Okay, so 0 errors and 0 warnings are showing here. But one more thing also, if you want to dump the code in the your controller, so other are different way are there. I am using usually hex file I am uploading. So you have to, so for hex file creating, you have to go in your project, right click on the project, go to the properties and go to the C++ build and setting. This tick mark, you have to go your post build outputs. You have to click it on this hex file and binary, both you have to click, then apply and close. So once you will go to your project directory, you have, like this is your project, you have to go in the debug, in the core source, then you will get here your hex file. I'll show you. This one, this win file and hex file, these two files are created in your debug folder. So that file you have to select in your this folder. This is the one software is there. This is STM32 ST-Link utility, we are calling this one. When you will make a connection with your STM Blue Pill board and the STM linker, so you have to go to the target and connect. After connection, one some data will come, then after that you have to select your hex file. That hex file you have to select in your directory. There I created the folder. So this project name, then debug. The debug, this hex file is there. You have to open it, then after that you have to program it, then start button will come, then you can dump it the code. So this is the way of how to upload the code in the your Blue Pill board. So this is the code is there. Now I will explain you what are the things are there in this code guys. So here you have to mention this main.c file is there, automatically it will generate, like you can see here also. So here we have to include our I2C for the library. This I2C library I am using. That file also you will get in my folder. If you will open this my project file, you will get here this one, this include, this is a one file and .h file, and one more file is also there, this our .c file. This is a project file. These two are the our header file, .h and .c. These are the two header files are there that you have to put in your source and include. Source, in the include folder you have to put the .h file, and source folder you have to include the .c file. Then other things you have to go, this GPIO pins, it will initialize automatically. Now in the while loop you have to create this one electronic studio. One message will come from the left to right to message, it will scroll continuously. So like this small message there is there. So based on your requirement you all. So now you can see here in this video how is it working, this pop-up message. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.